Hello.
Kirka turn, Shree Ram. Yes, 1 minute. So,
Yes.
okay, so you start with your introduction.
Hello, sir. This is Shree Ram. So I have done my. So I'm from Davangere, actually from Karnataka. I've done my schooling till 12th in Davangere, that is from Karnataka, and later I moved to Bangalore for UG. And here I did my bachelor's in electronics and communication engineering from RNS Institute of Technology. And later in my final year of my college, I joined the Indian Institute of Science for an internship, which was 6 months. And later, after completion of my internship, I started working here as a full-time employee. And here there is a 5G testbed lab where I'm employed currently. And along with my work, I also play a college volleyball, that is in ISI volleyball team. And in my college, I was also a part of volleyball team, and I was also a part of coding club. That's it about.
okay. So, what is your branch in BTech?
Electronics and communication.
Acha, electronic and communication engineering. Okay. So, why did you think of switching from this field to this field?
Yes, sir. So during my work, that is here in IIC, majority of the components that I work involved in collecting and storing the large data that were from the network, the performance data from the different components that is. And while working on these components, I became keen or interested in what it could be done with those data that it is collected. And I found myself more interested in questions such as identifying patterns, making decisions from data, optimizing system behaviors, and understanding the quantitative methods behind these tasks. Although I couldn't continue here, what I was doing and what I might do because of some issues here in this project funding. But yeah, I saw myself that my interest was gradually shifting towards analytical and data-driven decision making from telecom. So I started exploring different fields where I can uh, find these kind of process and uh, interacting with students and faculties here. I eventually came to know about this course, so I thought of applying for this.
Okay. So, what did you do internship and where in ISC? Where did you do this internship? Which department or
So here in electrical and communication engineering department, there is a professor called Chandramurthy. So under him, I did my internship, and I am still working under him after my internship as well.
so? What are you doing in internship? And some research internship or what kind of?
Yeah, so here we have a 5G stack, that is 5G tested code. So on top of that, there are a few standards that define how this stack should work.
Hmm.
So we have to write code for that particular stack or implementing new features for that. And I was a part of that. And I also have a paper on my name published on my work. And yeah, on my entire work, whatever I have done here, and I have doing here, there's a paper on that.
Okay, got it. 1 minute.
And
Hello. Hmm?
हाँ बोलूँगा ये ऐप पे है ना आईआईटी जैम रिकॉर्डेड का जो मतलब इसमें आप लिंक शेयर कर दिए हैं ये लाइव है लाइव का मतलब
27 वाले का, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, ऐड कर देते थे, बच्चा ज्वाइन करता ही नहीं है तो कर दिए थे।
अच्छा मतलब रिकॉर्डेड वाले को भी लाइव का मतलब ये दे रहे हैं
हाँ हटा दिए, अरे कोई लाइव में ऐसे भी आता नहीं है बच्चा, तो रिकॉर्डेड वाले तो आए कम से कम। हाँ
ना मुझे लगा कि मतलब ऐसे गलती से कर दिए होइएगा तो
ठीक है, उसको ऐड कर दीजिए उस बहाने। अब तो सोच रहे हैं सारे बच्चों को इसी में ऐड कर दे, एक ही ग्रुप में। मॉक टेस्ट वालों को भी देखते हैं अभी।
ठीक है ठीक
हम्म। Okay, yes, Ram, please continue. Huh? So I think what you are doing, you are planning to publish later.
No, sir, it is already published. So there was an event called CompsNet that is organized by IIS itself,
Hmm.
where they will be publishing our papers for IEEE. So we were a part of that conference and we got our paper published.
Okay, okay. So it's published in IEEE, I think, conference proceeding. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So fine. So then, so where you are comfortable? So in your BTech, did you study mathematics?
Yes, sir, yeah. We had, I mean, for first 2 years, we had basic, I mean, mathematics that is M1 and 2 and 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you are comfortable in calculus part?
Yes, sir, yeah. I can try, sir, actually. I am not so sure that whether I'll be able to do it or not, but I can try.
Okay, but so since you will be joining ISI MSQMBA program, so
Yes, sir.
for that you need to have. So have you completed the syllabus MMA MMB part of MSQMS or QMBA syllabus?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have completed, but I left few topics because I didn't have much time. So I left vectors and groups. Those things I left.
Okay, so which topic you are more comfortable in this ISI MSQMBA syllabus?
Actually, I like polynomial theorem and probability and permutations.
Okay, binomial theorem, probability, and permutation combination. Okay.
Yes.
So how do you define probability? What is definition of probability?
Um, so if there is a possible event, then probability is defined as whether that particular event will happen in our favor or will happen will not happen not in our favor. So, in simple words, that is how we can define. I'm not sure about the exact definition.
So do you know axiomatic definition, classical definition, something?
Uh, I'm not certain.
Okay.
No, I didn't
So
say the exact definition.
so how do you define conditional probability? So have you seen conditional probability?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what is definition of conditional probability? So actually, when do you say you are comfortable in some topic, so you have to be well prepared in that.
I guess so. Yes.
Hmm.
Actually, I'm currently again going through all the topics that were
So
there in
whatever you
the
choose,
Q&A.
you choose some topic from syllabus, MSQMS or QMBA syllabus, and then you prepare that well. You tell them you prepared this part. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
so in permutation combination, what is definition of permutation? What is definition of combination? How do you define?
So the number of arrangements that can be done uh, is called as permutation, and when you're choosing a set of uh, events or something from a group of events, then you'll tell that as a combination.
Okay. So what is relation between NCR and NPR?
You'll multiply R factorial for, I mean, NCR is equals to NPR into R factorial.
Is it otherwise or check again? NCR is NPR into R factorial. Is it?
NC, yes, yeah. NCR into R factorial is equals to NPR.
Okay. So what is the meaning of NCR and what is meaning of NPR?
You want me to tell the formulas?
No, interpretation.
So out of uh, n n set of things, we'll be choosing R set of things, that is NCR,
Hmm.
and For NPR, we'll be choosing it and then we'll be arranging it as well. I think I said it otherwise. I think I said it in the opposite way.
Okay. So do you know cyclic permutation?
No, sir, I couldn't know that.
So in the permutation thing, there is a term cyclic permutation. Okay. So, so in the syllabus part, like there are algebra, linear algebra, है ना, calculus, trigonometry, descriptive statistics, probability and distribution, coordinate geometry, elementary complex numbers, and analytical reasoning. So which part are you most comfortable?
Um, QMB, sir.
In the QMB actually, yeah, these are the syllabus. In QMA, there are algebra, then geometric and trigonometry, calculus, this elementary discrete probability theory. So where you are comfortable?
I'll go with algebra.
Algebra. So in algebra part, there is a, so what is difference between a polynomial and a series? Are they same or different? Infinite series and polynomial. Polynomial and series. What is a polynomial? Can you define?
Um, yes, sir. Yeah, I can. I'm not very confident about defining the definitions.
So you should learn.
The
You have time. You
parts of
learn. Yeah, you learn defining things.
yes.
Then, so what is the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean?
So arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean is greater than harmonic mean. For the expression, if there are n elements, then a plus b plus until n divided by n is greater than or equal to a into b into or to n whole power 1 by n. One is greater than or equal to 1 by n divided by 1 by a plus n equals 1 up till n, 1 by n plus.
So in the algebra part, there is a term like factor theorem, remainder theorem. Are you aware of that? Factor theorem,
Yes.
remainder theorem.
I think I just have a rough idea about what
Tell.
to uh, if a particular number is there, and then we can express it in terms of just a minute. So we want me to tell the exact theorem or
Yes, statement of that theorem. Then you can apply over some question.
yes, sir, yeah. Exact statements I'm not sure about the
So
theorem
how many questions
aspects.
did you solve in paper QMA QMB?
In QMA, I think around 17 or something. I think I thought correct. In part B, I think there were uh, 4 questions. I think.
So did you solve remaining questions that you could not solve in exam or you were wrong there?
Yes, sir. Yeah, few I solved and I'm currently solving. I didn't get much time
So
to
yes,
currently doing the task.
solve QMA QMB part. I think that's all for my side. So your suggestion to you is your background is good and you did well, but you have to answer a question. So the thing you can do is QMA QMB. You solve previous year questions and including 2026 question that you appeared, and then you
Okay.
also prepare their syllabus. Okay. So
Okay.
from the background, if
So,
they ask you where you are comfortable in which subject, what subject will you tell them?
okay.
Like in the
So,
BTech subject, what is your favorite subject?
okay. So you are asking me. So there are few subjects. So there is one subject called C programming for beginners, and there was one more subject called as telecom, and there was one more subject called digital communication.
but these subjects will not align with their interest because they will be faculty from mathematics, statistics, or some data science, operation research,
Yes, sir.
this type of field. So you have to, they
Yes.
may ask you from programming. So if you are comfortable in
Yeah.
programming, they may ask you from that. So you write algorithm for something, for example, factorial, or you know.
Yes, sir.
So they may
That I
ask you
can.
some algorithms. So you may tell them.
Yes, sir. Yeah. You can write to
I
that
think
sentence.
so. That's all. You will have one more interview round next day, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So prepare till then. I think. So okay, that's all.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. I think one person is left, Devjit. So Devjit will start in 2 minutes. I think let's take a break.
Yes, sir.
4:30.
I have one question, sir. Is it necessary that I need to revise the definitions and statements as well, or should it be more problematic? I mean, should I revise while revising the QMA and QMB syllabus? Should I go in depth for definitions and formulas, or formulas, for should I go in depth with the definitions and statements? All those things are also required.
Actually, they may ask you definition initially, then they will give you some question to solve. Or sometimes they directly start with the questions actually. They will give you question and you solve it. But you should be
Okay, sir.
prepared from all side now. So like they are the just content. What you have to do? Just you copy and paste on Google, ChatGPT, AI. They will give you definitions. You just remember it, read it many
Yeah,
times.
yes.
है ना? So copy content and paste
Okay,
there.
sir.
You tell them to write definitions. AI will do for you. The thing you have to do is remember that, and you have to just read,
Yes.
understand, and remember. So yes, you go through definition, theorems, and then solve questions as well. At least QMA, QMB, previous year question, and including this paper, 2026 papers. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we'll start from 4:30. I think last candidate 4:30 to 5. We'll have last interview.